Increasing the limit on Zenith Bank application is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open the Zenith Bank application. Then, ensure you're logged in with your valid credentials. Now locate the settings option within the app menu. And this option may be titled Increase Transfer Limit in some versions. Then choose Card Details or PIN plus Token. This method requires your debit card details and PIN, along with the token generated by your hardware token. After that, enter the required information and input the last 6 digits of your debit card PAN, your card PIN, and the token generated by your hardware token. Then, review and confirm. Carefully review the details and confirm your request. Now, wait for confirmation. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your request.